Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. If you have ever wanted to learn how to code, but felt overwhelmed by complex syntax and cryptic symbols, you are in the right place. Today, we are going to demystify how programmers actually think before they ever write a single line of real code. We will explore 3 essential planning tools that make programming approachable for anyone: algorithms, flowcharts, and pseudo code. Let's dive in. Before jumping straight into typing code on a computer, experienced developers always start with a plan. Think of it like building a house. You would not just start nailing boards together without a blueprint. In programming, we rely on 3 main blueprints to map out our logic. First, the algorithm, which is a step-by-step list written in plain, everyday language. Second, the flowchart, which is a visual diagram showing the direction and decisions of our solution. And third, pseudo code, which acts as a simplified mock-up or rough draft of our final program. Let's look at how each of these works using a very simple example. First up is the algorithm. At its core, an algorithm is simply a step-by-step procedure to solve a problem or complete a task. To see how easy this is, let's look at an everyday example we all know: making a cup of tea. If we were to write an algorithm for making tea, it would look just like a simple kitchen recipe. Step 1. Start the process. Step 2. Boil water in a kettle. Step 3. Add a tea bag to a cup. Step 4. Pour the hot water into the cup. Step 5. Add your sugar and milk. And Step 6. Serve the tea and stop. It is direct, logical, and written in plain English that anyone can follow. Our second tool is the flowchart. Many people are visual learners. They prefer to see how things connect rather than reading a list of text. A flowchart is exactly that: a visual roadmap of our algorithm. To keep things organized, flowcharts use standard shapes to represent different kinds of actions. We use ovals to show where the process starts and ends. Rectangles are used for standard steps or tasks, like boiling water. Diamonds are used for questions or decisions, like asking, "Do we need sugar?" which split the path into yes or no directions. And finally, arrows act as the street signs, showing us the exact order of the steps. By looking at a flowchart, you can trace the entire logic of a program with a single glance. Our third and final tool is pseudo code. The word pseudo means fake, so this is literally fake code. It acts as a bridge between plain English and actual programming languages. If you look at our tea-making logic here, we have structured it using simple programming commands. We use keywords like start, boil, add, and pour. We even use a basic decision structure. If sugar is needed, then add sugar, and if. Pseudocode is not written in a real coding language, so a computer cannot run it. However, it allows us as programmers to focus entirely on the logic of our solution without worrying about picky punctuation, brackets, or strict computer rules. To wrap things up, remember that planning is the secret weapon of great programmers. Spending just a few minutes sketching out your logic using an algorithm, flowchart, or pseudocode will save you hours of debugging and frustration later on. Thank you so much for your time today. I hope this gives you a confident, clear start on your programming journey. Don't forget to ask questions in the comments section.